Beef lung? We got one last night. What's that? What's that, Sunny's? Sunny's the only one interested? Ooh. Oh, look, more. Oh, look, what's the babies? What's that? You got yak bones? What we got? Pork rolls? Pork rolls! You got hoofs? What else we got? These are for Zeus because he needs to be trained.
She doesn't even know what.
What is this? You got bully sticks. Bully sticks. Lots of bully sticks. Lots of bully sticks. Huh? Lots of bully sticks. Oh, look. You got lamb strips. What else you got? More bully sticks. What else you got? What's this? Piggy ears? And more piggy stuffs. What's this? Chicken strips. And these are for Cora's puppies and her babies' bellies. We got puppy teething sticks for when the puppies come.